Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a healthy and delicious banana loaf without flour and without sugar. So if you're visiting my channel for the first time, do well to click that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. So like and share my videos. So I'm going to use organic whole grain rolled oats to make this banana loaf. So come with me as we do this. So first off, I'm going to blend the oats into powder like this. So when I'm done, I am going to sieve it. So I'm sieving the blended oats to remove any lump. So next I'm going to add baking soda and salt to the oat powder, and I'm also adding cinnamon to give it that delicious taste. So next thing, I'm mixing it properly. So I'm going ahead to use 2 eggs. So I'm using 2 eggs for this recipe. So I added also vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract to the wet mixture. So I'm using 3 tablespoons of honey for this instead of sugar. So no sugar, we're using honey. So add 3 tablespoons and mix very well. So I mixed very well, and next I'm going to peel the bananas I'm using. I'm using 2 bananas like this. I'm going to peel the skin off and mash them into a smooth paste. Tell me which country you're watching from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. So I'm matching the banana like this into a smooth paste, and I'm going to pour it into the oatmeal or powder. So once it's smooth, I pour it into the oats like this. I'm also going to add the wet mixture of eggs. I'm going to mix everything together very well to give me a smooth consistency so that there's no lump in it. I'm also using butter, so I'm adding the butter now. I'm going to match the butter, make sure it's smooth and mixing very well like this. I also added a pinch of yeast just to have that extra fluffiness. So when it's ready, I'm going to pour into my baking pan. So first off, I'm going to I'm lining my baking pan now with parchment paper. If you want, you can use butter. You can coat your baking pan with butter, but I am going to use parchment paper. So I'm cutting it to the shape and size of the baking pan, and I'm going to fold it so that it will line up properly inside the baking pan. When the pan is ready, I'm just going to pour in the batter into the pan like this. So next I'm going to add some peanut topping to this. Yes, if you love to eat banana or bread with peanuts, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, so I'm giving it that extra by adding these peanuts to the top of the loaf. And I'm also going to put some egg wash on top before baking. Now it's ready to go into the oven, so I'm baking at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. And yeah, it is after 45 minutes. Yeah, it's the banana loaf. It is ready. You can see why I use parchment paper, because it's very easy to lift it out of the baking pan. And yeah, voila, it's ready. It looks delicious. I'm going to cut into it in a minute to show you. It's still very hot. So let's see how it looks inside. It's still very hot, so it's a bit soft. So, but you can see it is moist, looking delicious. So you can eat this banana loaf for breakfast with tea or any other drink of your choice. But I am going to eat mine with a hot tea. Kids love this loaf, so you can make more and for the whole family. You can even eat it for your evening tea, just for relaxation. You can see how moist it looks. It's soft and moist, easy to eat. Check out those peanuts at the top. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.